Recently I bought this GTSE aluminum foil tape. It's 2 inches wide and 11 yards long. Some reviews had mentioned that it's kind of thin, so I wanted to show. It's just like in the picture. And it is kind of thin when comparing it to Polykene 339. It's not as thick or as rigid. I would say it's about as thick as your standard aluminum foil that you buy from the store. Maybe a little thinner. But anyways, in terms of stickiness, it's pretty sticky and it'll stick to where you need to put it on. So stickiness is good. I thought stickiness was pretty decent because this is my over the range microwave. And up top over there, where it connects from the duct to the metal pipe, I use the GTSE tape, aluminum tape, and it sticks pretty well. It's just not rigid and it's not too thick. So some people have mentioned it might not be up to spec, but I think if you wrap it around a few times, it might make it rigid enough. So take it with a grain of salt. I'm not a handyman, I'm not a plumber. I just bought this and wanted to do a short review so you could see how thin it was and how rigid it is and how sticky it is. It's pretty sticky. Sticky enough for me. Have a good day.